Welcome to this guide on how to create an ad on Facebook and Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up your very first advertising campaign using Facebook Ads Manager. Whether you're trying to promote an event, sell a product, or increase awareness for your brand, this guide will help you understand how to use Facebook's advertising tools effectively. By the end, you'll be able to confidently create, target, and launch an ad that reaches the right audience across both Facebook and Instagram. Before we begin, it's important to understand that boosting a post and creating an ad are two different things. Boosting a post is a quick way to promote an existing Facebook post to more people, but it offers limited targeting and control. Creating an ad through Facebook Ads Manager, however, gives you full flexibility to customize every detail, from your audience and budget to where your ad appears. So for this tutorial, we'll focus on using Facebook Ads Manager to create a professional ad that runs seamlessly on both Facebook and Instagram. The first step is to go to facebook.com/ads manager. This is the central hub for creating and managing all Facebook and Instagram ads. The interface might look slightly different from time to time since Facebook frequently updates its design, but don't worry, the essential steps remain the same. Once you're inside Ads Manager, look for the green Create button in the top left corner. This is where you'll start your campaign. Click it, and you'll be prompted to select your campaign objective, the goal of your ad. Facebook offers several campaign objectives, including brand awareness, engagement, leads, conversions, and more. For most beginners, the easiest and most effective options are traffic and messages. If you want people to visit your website, choose traffic. If your goal is to get people to contact you directly through Messenger or Instagram Direct, choose messages. In this example, we'll create a traffic campaign since it's simple and works well for driving visitors to a website or event page. After choosing your objective, give your campaign a clear name, such as Fall Festival Invite, so you can identify it later. Leave most of the default settings as they are for now. You don't need to enable A/B testing or campaign budget optimization for your first ad. Once that's done, click Next to move on to the next stage called the Ad Set level. At the Ad Set level, you'll define your audience, budget, schedule, and placements. This is where you decide who will see your ad, how much you'll spend, and where your ad will appear. First, under Traffic, select where you want to send people when they click your ad. Facebook gives you options like website, Messenger, app, or WhatsApp. For most cases, website is the best choice. Next, set your budget. One of the best things about Facebook advertising is that you can start with almost any amount. There's no fixed cost. You can spend $5, $10, $20, or more per day depending on your goals. For this example, let's set a daily budget of $10. Facebook will automatically estimate how many people your ad could reach each day based on that amount. By default, Facebook targets the entire United States. But if you're promoting a local business or event, you'll want to narrow it down. Enter your business or event location in the Location field, then choose a radius. For example, if you're promoting for a local church event, set the radius to about 15 miles around your church. Facebook will automatically place a pin on the map and target users within that distance. You'll also see your potential audience size update as you make changes. For most local campaigns, a target reach between 500,000 and 1 million people is ideal. But if you're in a small town, a smaller reach is perfectly fine.
Next, you'll set your age and gender targeting. Facebook automatically includes everyone aged 18 to 65 plus, and that's usually a good starting point. Avoid being too specific unless you have a clear reason. Many people make the mistake of narrowing their audience too much, which limits their ads' visibility. Facebook's algorithm is very good at finding the right people, so give it some room to work. Keep the language set to all, unless you're targeting a specific language group. Now, move on to placements. Placements determine where your ad will appear. Facebook gives you two options: automatic placements or manual placements. If you're new to advertising, it's best to select automatic placements. This lets Facebook display your ad across multiple platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network, which includes third-party apps and websites. This approach typically provides the best reach and cost efficiency. However, if you only want your ad to appear on Facebook and Instagram, you can manually uncheck Messenger and Audience Network. Doing this might slightly reduce your audience size, but it keeps your focus on the two most visually engaging platforms. Once your campaign and ad set are configured, it's time to create the ad itself, the part your audience will actually see. Start by selecting the Facebook page and Instagram account you want to use for the ad. If you don't have an Instagram account connected, don't worry. Facebook will still show your ad on Instagram using your page name and profile picture. Next, choose your ad format. The simplest and most effective formats for beginners are single image or video. Click Add Media and upload the image or video you want to use. In this example, let's say we're uploading a short selfie video. Videos like this perform well because they feel personal and take up more space on the screen, making them more noticeable in users' feeds. After uploading, you may need to crop your video to the recommended 1:1 square ratio so it looks great on both Facebook and Instagram feeds. With your media ready, it's time to write your ad copy. This is the text that appears above your image or video, and it's what convinces people to take action. Keep it short, clear, and conversational. For example, if you're advertising a church event, you could write, "Join us this Sunday, October 27th, for our annual Fall Festival at Journey Church. We'll have free candy, fun games, and family-friendly activities. Everyone is welcome." Write in a friendly tone that matches your brand's personality. Next, fill in the headline section with something catchy and direct, like Fall Festival at Journey Church, or Join us for a day of family fun. The description box below the headline is optional and mostly appears on desktop, but it's a good idea to include a short tagline or repeat your headline for consistency. Now enter the destination link, the web page you want people to visit when they click your ad. This could be your business website, an event registration page, or any landing page relevant to your campaign. Always double-check the URL to make sure it works correctly. For a cleaner look, you can shorten the display link that appears in your ad. For example, instead of showing https://journeychurch.com, you can simplify it to journeychurch.com. Finally, select your call to action button. Common options include Learn More, Sign Up, Shop Now, or Contact Us. For most website ads, Learn More works perfectly.
Once everything looks good, preview your ad to see how it will appear on both Facebook and Instagram. Make sure the text fits properly and the video or image displays as intended. When you're satisfied, click the Publish button. Facebook will then review your ad to ensure it follows its advertising policies. This review process usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, though sometimes it can take up to a day. Once approved, your ad will go live and begin appearing in users' feeds based on your targeting settings. After your ad is live, it's important to monitor its performance. You can view all of your ad metrics inside Facebook Ads Manager, including reach, impressions, clicks, and cost per click. You've successfully learned how to create an ad on Facebook and Instagram from start to finish. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on social media marketing and digital growth.